These are the answers to the area questions. So here we have a rectangle, 9.3 by 3.1 meters. So the area of a rectangle, if you use your formula sheet, you'll see it's just length times width. So the length is 9.3 times the width is 3.1. And if you just multiply those together, 9.3 times 3.1 is 28.83, and we would write the units as meters squared for area. Okay, and then B, we have a parallelogram, and the area of a parallelogram is base times height. So if we say that's the base and this is the height has to be at a 90-degree angle to the base always. So like this side couldn't be the height because it's not a 90-degree angle to the base. So we need the actual height. So the base is 4.6 times the height, which is 2. So our answer is, oh shoot, actually, these are in different units, I think on purpose. So maybe we want to make sure they're the same unit. So I'm going to change my 4.6 meters into 460 centimeters because I know there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So I just times it by 100. Okay, so now I can do it. So my base is now 460 and my height is 2. So now they're both in centimeters. And 460 times 2 is going to be 920 centimeters squared. Or you could have changed the centimeters into meters, and you could have made this like 0.02 meters. So you could have done it that way too. Okay, then this triangle is odd looking, but basically we're trying to find the area of this guy right here. And the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So if we're saying this is the base, it doesn't really matter. If we say 7.1 is the base, that's the only side length we know, so we better call it the base. Then, like I said in the parallelogram question, the height has to be at a 90-degree angle to the base. So like this slanty side can't be the height. We need a height that's actually 90-degree angle to the base. So that's what this 3.8 is giving us. It's telling us, well, the height of your triangle is actually 3.8. So 7.1 times 3.8 divided by 2 is going to give us 13.49 meters squared. Okay, oops. Sorry about that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I just want to scroll up so I can like do more, but apparently I can't scroll up. So let's just add it. Okay, cool. All right, so then the next question, I didn't write it down. Okay, D is a circle. So question D was a circle, and its diameter, so the distance from one side to the other side, going through the center of the circle, is 35 centimeters. So we know that's the diameter, because it goes all the way across. So the area of a circle formula is pi times radius squared. So pi, you can use 3.14, or you can use the pi button on your calculator. The radius of this is going to be half of 35, so 17.5. I didn't calculate this one yet. And we're going to square it. Okay, so on my calculator, I'm going to do 17.5 squared, which is 306.25, and then I'm going to multiply that by pi, which I just used a pi button on my calculator, and I got 962.11 centimeters squared. And I think the answer that it gives you is slightly different because they just use 3.14, which again, it doesn't matter. Okay, last question is question 3. And question 3 says, how much ribbon is required to wrap once around a basketball being given as a present? Basketballs are 78 centimeters in diameter. Okay, so we have a basketball, which is a sphere, but all we want to do is wrap the ribbon around the entire basketball. So we're looking for the circumference, pretty much, right, of that circle that's formed in the sphere. And we know that the diameter of a basketball is 78 centimeters. So it looks like we're actually looking for the circumference. So we know circumference is 2 pi r, or circumference is just pi times diameter. I'm going to use that formula since I know the diameter. So we do 3.14 times the diameter, which is 78. So 3.14 times 78. Oh, this time I didn't use the pi button because I forgot about it. And I get 244.92 centimeters. And that's it.